Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video we are going to see the next numerical method, that is Runge Kutta method of fourth order. So here the basic steps will remain as it is, that is first 5 steps will remain exactly same as we used to have in Euler's method and Euler's modified method. So first we will represent our given equation in dy by dx form and we call it as f of x comma y. Then we write the initial values. Then we have to find the value of y at x equal to something. Okay. Then we will be given the interval h and then we can calculate the number of steps. So h will be given in the question and n will also be given in the question. N is the number of steps. Okay. So h and n will be given in the question. If n is not given, we have to assume n equal to 2. Okay, and we can find the value of h from the question only. How we can find the value of h from the question? We will see that very shortly. These are the basic steps. After this, let's say we have the 2 steps. So in step 1, we will have something, and in step 2 also we will have something. So in step 1, we will have 4 things. So we have Runge Kutta method of fourth order. So we will calculate the value of k1 here. We calculate the value of k2 here. We calculate the value of k3 here. And we calculate the value of k4. So the k1, k2, k3, k4 indicates that it is a fourth order method. Okay. So to start with, in first we will have the initial value of x and the initial value of y. From this we will calculate k1, and k1 will be h1 into f of x0 comma y0. So here we have x0 and y0. Now x0 will become x0 plus h by 2 and y0 will become y0 plus k1 by 2, where k1 is this. Okay. Then we will calculate k2 as h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 by 2. Similarly for k3 we will have x0 plus h by 2, that is this term remain as it is, comma y0 now will become y0 plus this k2 upon 2. Then we calculate k3 as h into f of this term comma this term. Then we will calculate k4. When we calculate k4, x0 will become x0 plus h and y0 will become y0 plus k3. Okay, so remember, first and last step will only have x0, y0, x0 plus h, y0 plus k3. The intermediate 2 steps have h by 2 in x0, k1 by 2 for y0 and k2 by 2 for y0. Okay, so this is the shortcut you can remember. So k4 will become h into f of x0 plus h, y0 plus k3. So in this way calculate the value of k1, k2, k3 and k4. After calculating the value of k1, k2, k3 and k4, we find the final value of k. So k will be 1 by 6 k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Okay, so from here we calculate the k. Then our final y will be given by y0, that is initial value, plus k at x equal to the something. So we will get the value of y and x from here. So this is our first step. In second step, we will perform the same thing, but in second step, our initial value will be this x and y. Okay, so remember this, and we do till our steps get over. Like if we have 2 steps, we do till 2 steps. If we have 3 steps, we will do till 3 steps. This will be more clear when we see the problem on this. So the problem on this we will take in our next video. So stay tuned for our future lectures.